Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I make my African black soap body wash. So this body wash is creamy but not too thick, and it has just the right amount of moisturizer to leave the skin feeling clean and soft. And for fun, you can always add an uplifting scent. Want to see how easy it is to make this body wash? Keep watching. So for this recipe, I'm using African black soap, which came straight from the motherland. So it actually came from Ghana to be exact, but it can be purchased locally. So I'll also be using distilled water as well as a vegetable glycerin that will draw moisture to the skin, and I'm going to use guar gum. First, I'm going to start by cutting off some of the African black soap from the larger bar that I have. So I'm cutting off enough to make 2 8-ounce bottles of the body wash. And look at that beautiful color. So this is created from the original process of making African black soap. So the African black soap traditionally is made in West Africa, and although the plants that it's made from vary by region, some of the ingredients include plantain skin, cocoa pods, palm tree leaves, and even the bark of the shea tree. So now I'm going to shred up the pieces that I cut into even smaller pieces to make the process of melting the black soap much easier. So black soap, it's very soft. It's also very easy to shred with a grater. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So because black soap can sometimes be hard to melt, I'm trying a different method by cutting it up, then shredding it to see if this helps with the melting process. And now that my black soap is shredded, I'm going to measure out some distilled water and some vegetable glycerin. So both water and glycerin help to add moisture to the soap and, of course, the skin. And it also helps to turn my solid soap into a liquid. So now I'm transferring my shredded soap into my heat-safe bowl, and from here I'm going to place my bowl over low heat to melt the soap. So it does take quite a bit of time for the soap to melt, anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes, but of course I do have my heat set to low and I'm using quite a bit of soap, so just keep that in mind. And I'm just going to give it a little stir every once in a while. So African black soap is great for cleansing the skin. It's good for any skin type. It has antimicrobial properties, and it can help clear up skin problems such as dark spots and blemishes. So I use this as a body cleanser, and I also use it as a facial cleanser once or twice a week, followed by an intensive facial moisturizer. So now I'm adding in my guar gum. So guar gum is a natural thickener that comes from the guar plant. Also, a little bit of this goes a long way. I didn't add too much. It's best to add a little bit and then let it sit for a while to see how thick it gets. Then if it's not thick enough, I can always add a little more. I actually let it sit overnight, and this was the result. And now I'm adding in my preservative. So I'm using Optifin Plus, which is a natural preservative. So I've used this preservative before in some of the other products that I've made, and it completely changed the consistency. But with the soap, I tested it before and it turned out great. So I'm trying to keep this body wash as natural as possible, which is why I chose Optifin Plus. So now that my body wash is ready, I'm going to transfer it to my bottle using a funnel that I got online, and this is going to make the process extremely easy. And now I have my very own African black soap body wash. It's the perfect consistency of body wash, and now I'm just going to test out my new body wash. And because I sometimes like to exfoliate my hands, I'm going to use this exfoliating glove that I also got online. And this exfoliating glove can be used for your hands as well as your feet, as well as all over your body. It's an excellent exfoliator for the skin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Products that I use can be found in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!